for science. Right. Let's see.
Sammy, where are you going?
To take a shower, of course.
And why are you wearing a scientist robe?
Which robe? Oh, this robe? No, you're mistaken. It's a bathrobe. Yeah, yes.
Well, fine.
Is she gone? Phew. Huh? Let's see. Pushing. Experiment number 1243. Scientific notepad. Currently, the object of the experiment looks like an ordinary school notepad. By the way, I was always curious, how many notepads does an ordinary student use over the school year? Write your answers in the comments! I'll study them! So let's get back to this notepad. We'll continue covering the notepad with special liquid.
Wow!
Susie! How did you get here?
Well, I followed you and came here. What's that? Wow, cool stuff!
Oh, no! Put it down! Here, take this and follow the instructions closely.
All right. Interesting.
Right, while Susie's busy, we'll continue. I have no idea how she manages to get inside a secret laboratory. I use a password and things like that.
Your password is candies. Everyone knows that.
Huh! I'm covering the notepad with special liquid.
Oh, Sam, there's a heap of candies.
What? Where? Oh, I'm cutting!
Sam will be really surprised.
Looks like they're out of candies. I'll continue. There. I need to cover the surface really well to make sure the experiment is a success. Here and here. And now, I'll leave it to dry.
Let's put this one here, and that one there, and...
What's going on here?
Well, I've tidied up a bit. Surprise!
Tidied up? Oh, no! Everything was in their place! I won't find anything now!
On the contrary, Sam, I've placed everything neatly, and it's easy to find now. Here's your new notepad.
Oh!
It's cool, huh? Awesome! Well, you've just covered the notepad with thermochromic paint, that's all.
Thermo what?
Thermochromic. It changes color when you touch it.
Where did this paint come from?
Well, maybe someone brought it in.
I wonder if this someone is called Susie.
Could be.
And this someone has ruined the purity of the experiment! I had everything planned out! Now I'm never going to get the Great Slime Seed Science Award!
Of course you will. I'll help you. Here, let's take this. And this, of course. And this one's from me. And we'll make a lava pen.
A lava pen?
Yep. Watch. We'll take out the rod, then glue the opening on the rod like this. Do you have a dropper or something in here?
A dropper? Well, sure. I don't know, it's kind of suspicious. She's acting as if she owns the laboratory. Well, we'll see. So what's Susie doing in there? Oh, fine. Dropper, there you are. Here!
Oh, great! Look, I've labeled everything to make it more scientific.
Well this I approve.
Yay! Now I'll drip a little bit of everything in water. And now, let's add some colorful glitter. There. And insert the rod back. And voila! I've made a pen like this for myself as well, but I added different glitter. See? Look how pretty they are!
Is good enough for writing down the results of the experiment. By the way, I was going to do another experiment. Would you like to be my assistant?
Would I? Of course!
Then bring me the box with the pens from that shelf.
A box with pens?
Yes. You do know what pens look like.
Yes, but I used those pens to create the lava pens.
What? How could you? I was going to make the world's coolest pen robot. Now everything's ruined!
I'm sorry, Sammy. Would you like to have my lava pen too? Guys, maybe you can help me too. Give Sam a thumbs up to support him. 3,000 likes may cheer him up. Oh, Sam, wait!
Nothing can cheer me up now. Such a project and ruined. Now I'll have to come up with a new plan. Right, I've already got a notepad. I'll take a pen. Let's see.
Ooh, what are you writing? Oh, come on, Sammy. Stop sulking. Here.
What's this girly thing doing in such a serious place as a laboratory?
Let me demonstrate.
No!
It's just a highlighter. Let me show you how to make it. Maybe in a different color?
Well, make a yellow one.
All right. We'll take a yellow highlighter and take it apart.
Well, that's a bit
Now I'll
scientific.
squeeze out the highlighter ink into a bowl like this. Hey, Sammy, do you have some rubbing alcohol?
Rubbing alcohol? Well, of course. No laboratory without it. I know I have it somewhere. Oh, what a mess! Here it is. Phew. Barely found it.
Thanks. Let's add it in here. And now we need to fill a nail polish bottle with it. Carefully now. It's a good thing you have all this stuff in your lab.
Well, how else am I supposed to do experiments? I need to stock up on things.
There, done! Now you can highlight any important text with one simple, elegant motion. And no boring highlighters.
Thank you, Susie. Listen, what am I supposed to do with ordinary highlighters now?
Bonk.
I've got lots of them. But I don't want to use them now. They're so boring.
Oh, no problem. We'll make you an amazing rainbow highlighter.
Oh, well, you can try.
It's easy. Look, we'll take a yellow highlighter and also pink and blue ones and press each of them to the sides of the yellow highlighter. See? You get a rainbow. When pink touches yellow, it turns orange, and the blue one turns green.
Oh, scientific.
Of course. I've got infected with science from you in this lab. Let's test our new highlighter. Like this.
Wow, I approve.
And one more time.
Oh, enough. Fine, since you've shown me all these interesting experiments, I'll show you something as well. Wait here!
All right. Oh! What's that?
Scared, eh? These are just anti-stress balls. But you can make cool holders for pens and other important things to keep it tidy. By the way, it's my next experiment.
So interesting. What do I need to do?
Cut off this little loop.
All right, but I need your help.
Don't worry, I'll help.
Like this?
Yep,
It's a funny little pocket.
it's not a pocket. Put this inside now. Carefully.
All right. Aw, so cute.
No, not cute, but a very important item for keeping things tidy.
Awesome. I need to make more.
I should never give you such things.
Aw, come on. They came out great. That's it, Sammy. I'm going to stay here and create with you.
Oh